So hi everyone, I just wanted to say a few things about what we're doing today and what's due for next week. Today is all about doing a checkout of our apparatus and of our measuring circuit. In the videos, and as I've posted on Sakai, I've taken a bunch of preliminary data. This is data you can develop your analysis workflow for. That is the ability to extract an angular acceleration from these raw count data files. So due next week, continuing with the writing project, will be the draft of the apparatus subsection of your experimental methods section of your report. I am asking you to hold off on procedure for now, since I think we're still working out what we should do in terms of taking data, and it'll be easier to write the procedure section once we all figure out how we're going to take the data. Now, there are a few things, as I've indicated in the guidelines for the method section, uh, that you may need. Namely, I do want you to include figures of the circuit and of the timing diagram. Now, those figures I recognize are not easy to draw. You may take them from the lab manuals, which I have posted on Sakai, provided you provide attribution to where they came from. So things to work on this week. The videos are obviously not 3 hours long. Um, and if you were doing this live, I think you would have spent a bunch of today testing and building the circuit. But what I do want you to do is a few things. So there is a Sakai forum for this course. Please use that forum to make suggestions for what we should do to take data. I will be futzing around with some more things uh, in the coming days to figure out how sort of with what I've got at home and what are the limitations of, for instance, not having particularly high ceilings. We might be able to get the best data that we can. And this is really your opportunity now to develop an analysis workflow that's going to work. So your goal is to be able to have a spreadsheet or other software tool that will allow you to go from raw count data to a measured angular acceleration. Now, if you go and look at the raw count data, I will say one thing. It is not the case that the pulley is accelerating the entire time. If you just watch the videos, right, the string quite quickly completely unwinds from the pulley, and then the pulley just starts spinning and then slowing down due to friction in the bearings. I'm going to let you think about that, and it's something to be aware of in your data. But yeah, I'm happy to take any questions that you have as you work towards being able to get some results with the things that we've measured today.